little fox. Space Patrol, Mission to Volcano Planet. Episode 1, Working Out. Ringo and Bot were in the gym. Ringo ran on a machine. He was huffing and puffing. Bot was whistling a tune. Lucy walked by and laughed.
You're not just little, Tiny. You're out of shape. And so is your junk robot.
Watch this,
Ringo said. He ran faster.
I'm getting in shape now.
Ringo ran fast until Lucy was gone. Then he hopped off the machine. Ringo bent over. He was out of breath.
Phew! I hate working out.
You should stop and rest.
Bot said. Ringo shook his head.
I'm the smallest rookie on the base. I need to be strong for Space Patrol.
Ringo started running again. He saw Lucy across the room. She was doing lots of exercise. Ringo sighed.
Oh, Lucy is in great shape.
Bot shrugged.
You're good at fixing robots.
Thanks, Bot.
Ringo said.
But
Beep! Ringo looked at his phone. He had a new message. The message was from Captain Nova.
Come to my office right now.
Space Patrol, Mission to Volcano Planet. Episode 2, A Dangerous Mission.
I'm here, Captain.
Ringo huffed. Bot rolled in behind him. Clang! A screw fell off. Captain Nova frowned. You two are in bad shape.
What's up, Captain?
Ringo asked. You have a new mission, she said. Ringo grinned.
I'm ready.
This is a dangerous mission,
Captain Nova said.
2 clamor birds are trapped. They're on Volcano Planet, and Mount Magma is about to explode.
Where's Mount Magma?
Ringo asked. Bing! Bot lit up a map.
Mount Magma is near Fire Lake.
Captain Nova went on.
Your mission is to go there. You must rescue those noisy birds.
Why can't the birds just fly away?
Ringo asked.
They're too big to fly far.
Bot said.
And they like Volcano's boomberries.
Captain Nova rolled her eyes.
They're not very smart either. But no more questions. I have to get back to work.
Just one more question.
Ringo said.
How soon will the volcano explode?
Soon, Captain Nova said. Very soon.
Space Patrol, Mission to Volcano Planet. Episode 3, A Crash Landing. Ringo and Bot went into a spaceship. They blasted off. The spaceship flew through the galaxy. Suddenly, Bot pointed to the map.
Fire Lake is below us,
she said. Ringo looked down.
I just see black clouds.
His eyes went wide.
Huh? Oh, wait! Those clouds are from Mount Magma.
The sky got darker. Bot went to look too.
There's so much ash in the air. Hold on tight, Ringo. This will be a crash landing.
Swoop! The spaceship dropped fast. Ringo closed his eyes. The spaceship hit something hard. Then, splash!
Bot! We landed in the lake!
Ringo said, but Bot didn't say anything. Her eyes were closed.
Oh no!
Ringo cried. Ringo checked Bot.
Think hard, Ringo.
He said,
You know all about robots. What's wrong with Bot? Oh.
Ringo turned Bot around.
Oh, phew! It's just her power switch.
Whir! Bot's eyes opened wide.
Where am I?
She asked.
We landed in the lake.
Ringo said.
We need to find those birds.
Rumble, rumble!
Ah!
Bot cried.
The volcano!